बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your homes. Students, in our previous class we have done unit number 1. Okay, so today we are going to start unit number 2. This is your science book. Okay, open the page number 24 and this is your unit number 2. Today's topic is living and non-living things. Means living things are alive and non-living things are not alive. Okay, so let's read this topic. Students, you know we all are, as we know we all are human beings, so we are living. Okay, just like us, all the animals, plants, all the insects, they all are living things. Okay, living things need food, water and air. Without eating food, without drinking water, without air, living things cannot survive. Okay, so living things can grow, okay, breathe, living things can move, living things can feel and reproduce, as well as living things can die. Okay, just like I have a pencil, it is living or non-living? Yes, give me answer. It is non-living thing because it cannot move. Okay, it cannot grow. Okay, so living things can grow, just like plants, just like animals. You are living. Okay, they can breathe. Okay, they can move, just like I am moving. I wave my hand in front of you. Okay, just like they can feel, they have the emotions, they can happy, they can sad. Okay, they can reproduce and in the end they can die. Okay, just like this, the non-living things just like you can see at your room, fan, windows and doors, chairs, bed, lots of things you can see around you, they all are non-living things. Okay, just like non-living things cannot move, okay, by their own self, non-living things cannot breathe just like you, non-living things cannot feel just like you, non-living things cannot eat, cannot drink, they cannot need of air, they cannot die, even whether they can be damaged. Okay, non-living things cannot move, grow, breathe, move, feel and reproduce. Okay, so all the living things need food, water and air. Okay, now open the page number, this is your science book, open the page number 24. First you have opened the page number 24, maintain the page. Today we have the topic here, what is a living thing? Okay, topic is, repeat with me this topic, what is a living thing? Okay, let's read the, put finger on the first line. Living things are things that are alive. Okay, just like this girl, you can see here a girl, she is living. You can see here a plant, it's also living, as well as you can see here a kitten, this is also living. Okay, so plants, animals and people are living things, means they need water, food and air. Clear? Now turn the page, open the page number 25. On this page you can see a view of a garden. Okay, what living things can you find in this photograph? You can see a photograph, you can see here some living things and some non-living things. Just like you can see here three boys or girl, they all are living. Okay, you can see here horse, they are living. Here you can see the horse. They all are living. Okay. But you can see here some more things. Plants is also living. You can see here plants. Okay. They all are living things. Okay. So in this photograph you can see some living things and living, just like boys, horse, birds, plants, they all are living and they need food, they need water, as well as they need air. Then now open the page number 26. Here you can see some animals and birds. You can see here, this is the page number 26. You can see here some birds, just like bat. This one, hornbill. These are the birds all. Okay, they need food. They eat plants. They eat different types of nuts. They eat small animals as well as birds. You can see here ortigan. It depends on fruits and leaves. Okay, you can see here polyp. You can see here butterfly and chameleon. You can see here some birds and animals. They all are living things. They need food to survive. Okay, they need air, they need water. Without food, without air, without water, these all are, they cannot survive. Okay, they cannot move, they cannot breathe. Okay, so they need water, air and food. Clear? Now open the page number 28. This is the page number 28. Have you opened? Okay, put finger on the line. Here we have the topic, what living things need. Okay, living things need air and water. Okay, living things need air and water. And what are the living things here? You can see here plants. Plants need air and water. You can see here animal. This one giraffe. This one also need for water. Plants need air and water. Animals need air and water too. You can see here animals and some plants. They need air and water too. Okay. Plants are here and animals are here. You can see they just like this one. You can see here two plants. They need water. They need water also. Okay, so animals need air and water too. So just like the animals, plants need air and water. Okay, now turn the page, page number 29. This is the page number 29. Have you opened this one page? Page number 29. Here you can see some more animals. Living things need food. So we drink water and living things need water. So just like the water, all the living things need food. You can see here food. Okay. So just like this horse, this one bear, giraffe, they need water, they need food. Okay. The animals are eating plants, get their food from the soil. You can see here some animals and you can see here one plant. Okay, plants make their own food, okay, by the soil, by the sunlight. Okay, the animals are eating plants, get their food from the soil. And here you can see here two kids, they are eating, the children are eating. Okay, you can see here just like you are eating, you can eat lots of things without food. You can eat food, so without food you cannot survive. Okay, so food is too much important for all the human being, all the living things like plant, for animals and for you also. Okay, so you can see here some animals and you can see here two kids, they all are eating. So living things need food. Okay, without food they cannot survive. Okay, now open the page number 30. Open the page number 30. Have you opened the page number 30? Okay, you can see here beautiful birds, fishes. Okay, the topic is living things can move. Okay, just like I can shake my hand, I can walk, you can run, you can do many more things. So just like you, all the living things can move. Okay, just like this you can see here a bird. The bird is flying. You can see here, the bird is flying. The fishes are swimming. You can see here in the water, beautiful fish. They all are swimming in the water. So all the living things like birds, like plants, like insects, like you, all the human beings can move by their own self, like plants also. Okay. So you can see here some birds, some fishes, they can move. Okay, you can see here a girl, she is also moving, bird is also flying, fishes are also swimming in the water. The fishes are swimming in the water. Okay, so student, this is the page number 30. We will read half chapter in the next class. Okay, now you will open your activity book. First you have to open your activity book. We have some exercise. This is your activity book. Okay, open this one book. Take out your pencil, sharpen your pencil and start working. This is your activity book. First you have to open the page number 24. Have you opened the page number 24? Page number 24. This is the page number 24. Activity number 16. Okay. Maintain the page. This is the page number 24 and activity number 16. So let's read this activity. What are living things? Students, you know what are living things. Okay. Circle the living things and cross out the non-living thing. It's very easy exercise. First you will make the circle on all the living things. Just like this bird is living. So you will make circle on this bird just like this. It is living. Okay. You can see here one more pig. This is teddy bear. So teddy bear is not living. It's a toy. So you will make circle here just like this. It's not alive. It's a toy. Okay. Done. The next picture is, you can see here some rabbits. They are living or non-living? Give me answers. They are living. So you will make circle on the rabbits. Okay. Have you done? Come on the next picture, you can see here a frog. Okay, frog is living or non-living? Frog is living. So you will make circle on the frog just like this. Have you made the circle with your pencil? Done. You can see here a skipping rope. It's living or non-living? Non-living. So you can do cross here. Cross. Okay. You can see here, come on the next picture, you can see here some balloons. Balloons are living or non-living? Yes, give me answer. Non-living. So you will do cross here. Okay. Ant is living. So you will make circle here. This is the toys. So you will make circle. Okay. This is non-living. You can see here some cats. You can see here. They are living or non-living? Living. So you will make circle here. Done. Now come on the next page. Open the page number 26. Open the page number 26. Here we will do the activity number 17. This is the activity number 17 and this one is page number 26. Okay, have you opened this one page? Here we have one more exercise. Okay, what is the exercise? How do animals move? You know, as you know, all the living things can move. So how do animals move? Use the words in the box to describe how the animals move. Okay, you have some words in the box just like fly, run, crawl, jump, swim. Okay, now you will write the correct word in front of these pictures. Just like fish. Fish can swim in the water. So you will write the spelling of swim here. What is the spelling of swim? S-W-I-M, swim. Okay, write your correct spelling. The next one, you can see here beautiful parrots. Parrots can fly. You know, all the birds can fly. So you will write the spelling of fly here. What is the spelling of fly? F-L-Y, fly. Have you done? Have you write the spelling here? You will copy the correct spelling. Okay. The next one, you can see here an ant. So ant can crawl. Okay. So you will write the spelling of crawl. What is the spelling of crawl? C-R-A-W-L. So you have to write the spelling here. Okay. Spelling should be correct. What is the spelling? C-R-A-W-L. Done. The next picture is this one. It is kangaroo. So you will write the spelling here, kangaroo. Did you see the kangaroo? You can see. Can you see? It can be jump. Okay. You can see this animal in the zoo, not inside of your house. So it can be jump. So you will write the spelling of jump. What is the spelling of jump? J-U-M-P, jump. So you will write the spelling of jump here. J-U-M-P, jump. Done. The last one is tiger. You can see here tiger. Okay. So tiger can run. So you will write the spelling of run, R-U-N, run. So you will write here spelling of run, R-U-N, run. Done. So student, spelling should be correct and you will write the words according to the picture. Just like fishes can swim, birds can fly, ant can crawl, kangaroo can jump and tiger can run. Done. Have you done this one page? Yes. Very good. Now turn the page. Now you have to open the page number 28. You can see here one more interesting exercise. This is the page number 28 and activity number 19. Activity number 19. First you have to maintain the page. Okay. Now we are going to read the exercise. What is the exercise? Read with me. Living things have young. Okay. Living things have young. Match each living thing to its young. You can see here some living things. They all are living. You will match with their young. Just like man. Man, take out your pencil. You can take the help of your ruler. Man. First one is man. So you can match with the baby. This one. This is the young of man. Okay, match this dot with this dot. You can see here the young of man. Baby. Okay, have you matched? The second is tiger. You have to match with their young here. The third one is duck. You have to match with the duckling. This one is the young of duck. Fourth is rabbit. You have to match with their young. The last one is tree. You have to match with their young. Okay, have you done this? This is the last page in your activity book. Okay, you will do this page very correctly, neat and clean. You can take the help of your ruler. So students, we have done the page number 24, page number 24, page number 26 as well as page number 28 we have done in your activity book. Now come on the homework folder. You can see here some question answers. It is your copy work. First you have to maintain the page. You will make the title page of unit number 2. Okay. What is the topic? Unit name is living and non-living. You have to make the title page of this. Okay. Now you will maintain the next page. You will write here question answers. You have here 3 question answers. Let's read the question answers. Question number 1 is what are living things? Okay, write these questions. Spelling should be neat and clean. Writing should be good. Okay. First you will write question number 1. What are living things? So you will write the answer according to the question. What is the answer? Living things are things that are alive. Are you living? Yes, you are living. Me also living. I am also living. Okay. All the birds, all the animals, all the plants, they all are living. So just like this, living things are things that are alive. Then, okay, skip the one line. Start the next question. Next question is what 4 things does a plant need to live and grow? I repeat the question. What 4 things does a plant need to live and grow? Now what you will write the answer? We have the answer here. You will write the answer just like this. Okay, the first one is sunlight. Second is air. Third one is water. And fourth you will write here soil. This is the question number 1. And question number 2 you will also write here. And this is the answer of question number 2. Done? Now you have to maintain the next page for question number 3. Okay, here we have the question number 3. You will maintain the page just like the previous one. What is the question number 3? What do you know about mimosa leaves? Okay, mimosa is a plant. When you will touch, so it can close. Okay, mimosa leaves close when they are touched. Okay, repeat the answer. Mimosa leaves close when they are touched. Okay, students, we have done 3 question answers in the copy. I repeat, first you should maintain the page, then you will write 3 question answers. You can see these question answers in your homework folder. So today students, we have done in activity book page number 26, 24, 26 and 28, and in copy you have to do page number question number 1, 2, 3 from unit number 2. Okay, so work should be neat and clean. Read the chapter properly. Okay, copy work should be neat and clean. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.